Hello. So this is a Juniper Procumbens Nana that I started last April, and I wasn't sure if I should do something with it or not, if I should prune a little bit and maybe compromise the growth of the tree, or if I should let it be. And Philip Dean, P. Dean Bonsai, incentivized me to prune it and style it a little bit, and this is on you, P. Dean, this is on you. So what I'm going to try to do is not too much, prune just a little bit, maybe show a little bit more the main trunk, so let's do this. I think that P. Dean was right. In my opinion, this looks better now. And I'm happy with it. Okay, I hope you liked it. Enjoy your week. Have a great week. See you soon. Bye.